bills.
Oh my god, dude, are you kidding me?
Get the pop open. Stripped it out. Have to drill it out now. Start out with small ones.
Oh, we're in.
Quarters on the bottom.
All right, what's it, like $1? No cash?
Full of
Hey,
drinks.
yeah, there's still drinks in here too.
Cool.
Wow.
See if it works, we can resell it. Feels cool. I don't know how long it takes to cool down. Just plug in an hour, right? Please schedule once a week.
So no actual money?
Here's the money right here. Full to the top.
Oh, really? Oh my god.
Quarters
Look
are
at
to
that.
here. See, where's the bills go up here somewhere?
Holy crap.
I'm gonna open this for the bills.
Oh my god, dude, are you kidding me? Holy, what the hell?
Let's see.
All right, now I'm glad I videotaped this.
Okay.
Holy crap. That is a huge stack of money. They never empty this thing out. I swear to God, we cannot make this crap up.
This is like a changer thing. The quarter comes out. Nickel.
Yeah, and they're full to the top too.
This time when
Hey,
it's
check
the
in there.
changer.
Oh, there's money in there too. Oh my
Nice.
God.
Nice.
All right, we just hit the jackpot. So I'm gonna guess 50. What do you guess?
60.
60? So what's that? 107. Jeez.
Plus all this change.
Yeah. There is a crap ton of money in there. Did you already get it?
Popped out. I don't know if it unlocked though. Broke it out of there. It didn't pop.
Oh crap! What are we gonna do now? Are we in?
That's it.
Wow, that was quick. The other one took like 10 minutes, and
Yeah,
we had to
this
go
one-
through like 20 drill bits.
The other one had brass in it, so the screw was just stripping out in the middle. This one doesn't have the brass in the front, so it held tight. Probably an older lock, so it's a lot weaker. They must have changed them because people were getting in them too easily.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, you can have the iron.
Gotta like unscrew the shirt. Hey, we're in. All right, where's the money?
Man, that thing's old.
Where would the money go?
Front door like the other one.
Dude, there is a crap ton of money in there. Holy shit. No fucking way. Check this out. Come over here. Oh
Nice.
my god.
Nice.
Alright, can we just pull this whole thing out or? Let's see if I can grab all this.
Different than the other one.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at that.
Still more.
It's gotta be at least like $100 right there. This is unbelievable.
A little more.
I can't believe they didn't empty this out. Oh my god. Just keeps coming. Damn, we just hit the jackpot.
That's it.
Oh, I see some change in there too. Look right there. Oh, that's loaded to the top. Grab that. Oh my god. Let me see. That's a good like 20 pounds of change right there. Oh, Dude, it's loaded. Oh my god. What's that one? Quarters, nickels, dimes, and it's full to the top, as you can see, or almost full to the top.
Yeah, this one's up to here.
Oh, it actually says the amount too. That's almost at 15 bucks.
How does it?
Yeah, look. It's about, I'm gonna say 14. That one's at like, that's all the way over the top. That's about $3, and that one's at like, I'm gonna say $10. You guys can read that. But yeah, that is loaded to the top. Okay, let's actually count this up. I don't know how we're gonna count all this change, but I'm gonna say we got easily over $100 in ones right there. This looks like more than last time. All right, so I'm gonna guess there's probably $100 in singles and then maybe 50 in change. That is at least like a good 20 pounds of change right there, plus all the money inside there still. So 200. What do you say?
I'm gonna guess 80.
80. All right, how much in change? If you pick up like a handful, this is like,
Probably gotta be 50 bucks, no?
yeah, that's like $4 in change right there.
Probably
I think it's
more, yeah.
mostly quarters.
All right, looks like I was wrong. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 3.
Damn, I was right on the money.
Let's check out the change. How much was in that last machine, you remember?
Like 110, a little bit more than this.
Looks like more change here, though.
Yeah, for sure. Plus all the change still inside there.
Wow, a lot of quarters,
Yeah.
too, huh?
The majority is quarters. Oh, that's probably more than 50, honestly.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably close to 100, what do you think?
Yeah, we'll probably take it to the bank, though, to get it counted up. Man, what a nice payday.
Oh, yeah.
Show me the money. All right, what do we got? Oh, there's money in there. Look at that.
Take a look at the tools we're going to use. This was the dent puller that we used in the last video, but this lock looks like the lock out of the first machine that we did. It was really tough. We used drill bits, drilled it out, broke a bunch of bits. This time I'm going to use this air grinder and try and grind just the lock out so I can still sell the machine because the machine has value.
Got it?
Popped open.
All right. Let's see what's inside.
It's pretty hot. Oh yeah.
Show me the money. All right, what do we got? Oh, there's money in there. Look at that. Open that up. Open that
Oh
up.
yeah.
Oh my God, that thing is full to the
Nice.
top. Oh, that's way more than we've ever found, dude. Oh yeah, there's
Nice.
gotta be at least 100 right there. Easy. Oh my God.
Yeah, easy.
It's way more than 100.
Seems like a lot more than the last one.
Yeah, that's insane.
Let's keep going. What else?
Oh,
we
I see
got?
change in there too, look. Oh, that thing is almost full. Someone grab that out of there.
Let's see.
Let's see that.
Oh,
Bam, check that
a
out.
little
That
more
is
than half
super
full.
heavy too, feel that. Yeah, those are all quarters
right.
too.
All
Or
quarters.
most of them.
Dump it out and see.
It's insane. Oh, look at that there. The changer's full too. Look, we got like 20 in quarters and like almost
Dimes.
3 in nickels and then
I can't even read.
almost 10 in dimes. Bam, we hit the jackpot. It's
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
Too bad it
It's
wasn't
all
20s,
money,
huh?
baby. Yeah, that would be nice. But money's money, right? Even the change. Wow. It's got to be over
Nice.
50 in
100%.
change, right? Now it's time to count up this money and see how much we got. I'm going to guess we got about 150. What do you think?
I'll guess 151, and whoever's closer gets it.
151, really? No, I'll make a real guess.
All right, 175.
All right, let's see who's closer. And guys, leave a comment down below taking a guess too. And we'll see who wins.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,
200.
10, 15.
215. That is way more than we've
Nice.
ever found in any other machine. It's not bad for like 10 minutes of work, right?
Right, plus all that change.
True. So this might not look like much, but I guarantee you, in this pile of change right here, there's got to be like $100 or more. I mean, like right in your hand, that's got to be $2, and then you consider how much is on the table. It's easily $100.